Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure Face ID is ready. Open Settings and go to Face ID and Passcode. Register your face if you haven't. This gives biometric control. Once done, decide which app will hold locked images. Native photos won't lock individual photos, so choose Notes, Files, or a secure app. You're beginning the workflow. Register biometrics and pick Storage. This matters because the method determines the exact steps and security level you'll apply next. Now you move photos into a lockable container. In Photos, select Images, tap Share, and choose Add to Notes or Save to Files. If using Notes, create a note, insert images, then tap Share inside Notes and choose Lock Note. Face ID will secure it. If using Files, save to an encrypted or passworded folder, or use a third-party secure app that supports Face ID. Make sure permissions and sync settings are correct, so images don't remain in Photos unprotected. Finish by removing unprotected copies. Delete originals from Photos and clear recently deleted. Test unlocking with Face ID to confirm access works. Also enable a strong device passcode as a fallback. If Face ID won't unlock, re-register your face, clean the True Depth camera area, and confirm Face ID is enabled for Notes or your app. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and check iOS updates. These steps ensure
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.